Okay. So this one is the CBSE 10th class. Maths is going on. Chapter is Introduction of Trigonometry. And exercise is going on 8.3. Okay. So no need to take extra class now. Which one? First से start करना है. Already I taken the first one, I think so. Not taken. First का 4. And this one is related to the complementary angles. Correct? I am audible.
Yes.
So these are related to complementary angles. Just we will revise again. Sin theta is equal to cos 90 minus theta, and then cos theta is equal to sin 90 minus theta. Sin and cos, these are the complementary angle to each other. एक 45 है दूसरा 45 होगा, 140 then another 50. एक 30 है दूसरा 60 होगा. जैसे ही tan theta is equal to cot 90 minus theta, and cot theta is equal to tan 90 minus theta. Again, tan and cot are complementary, and cosec theta is equal to sec 90 minus theta, and then sec theta is equal to cosec 90 minus theta. These all ratios are complementary to each other, and we have to use this property. Already I taken first, second, third, I think so. Evaluate question number 1. Fourth one, cosec 31 minus sec 59. As we discussed in previous chapter or previous lecture, we have to change only one. Either you have to change cosec or you have to change sec if both are complementary. So sec and cosec are complementary, and here also sec and cosec. And one more thing you have to check, you have to add the angle and check that sub is 90 or what. See 59 plus 31, if you add this become 90. Then these both are again complementary. First thing, so we have to change either cosec or we have to change sec. So just we will change cosec. Cosec 31 means cosec theta. Cosec theta means what? Sec 90 minus theta. So in the place of cosec, just write sec 90 minus theta means 90 minus 32 minus sec 59. Now sec 90 minus 31 means it is 59, and this one also sec 59, this is already given. So one sec 59 is positive, this one is negative, both can.
सर आपका वीडियो ब्लर आ रहा है.
भी ब्रेक हो रही है.
Is my voice is breaking?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So question number 2, show that first one tan 48 degree, tan 23 degree, tan 42 and tan 67 is equal to 1. So LHS given and we have to prove RHS is equal to 1. So whenever this type of question, we have to prove one side. एक side लेनी होती है, दोनों side नहीं लेनी होती है. So this is LHS is equal to tan 48 tan 23 degree 42 degree and tan 67 degree. So students, first we have to check which angles are complementary. कौन से complementary है? So 48 and 42, these are complementary. 48 plus 42 become 90. And 23 and 67, these are complementary. 67 and 23. So we have to convert this tan into cot. एक ही tan को करना है. Okay. There are two pairs of complementary angle. We have to change only one. So first two pairs रखते tan 48 and 23. So in the place of this tan, just write cot. 48 means 90 minus 42. And again this is cot 90 minus 67 degree. First two as it is tan 48, tan 23, cot 90 minus 42, 48, and this cot 90 minus 67 become 20. Okay. We know one more identity, that is the identity of the reciprocal. So tan theta is equal to 1 upon cot theta, and cot theta is equal to 1 upon tan theta, as well as sin theta is equal to 1 upon cosec, and cosec theta is equal to 1 upon sin. Same for the cos also, cos theta is equal to 1 upon sec, and sec theta is equal to 1 upon cos. These are reciprocal to each other. So value of cot theta is equal to 1 upon tan theta. So cot 48 means this is tan 48 and there is no sign in between this one, there is multiplication sign. So this is tan 23. Cot 48 means 1 upon tan 48. Cot 23 means 1 upon tan 23. So this 23 numerator, this 23 denominator, tan plus cancel. This tan 48 is tan 48 cancel. So answer is 1. So RHS is also 1. So this become RHS. So therefore, LHS is equal to RHS sum solved. Is equal to 0. So LHS given and RHS is 0. Again, we have to do same thing. LHS is equal to cos 38, cos 52, sin 38, and sin. See this 38 and this 52 complementary. This 38 and this 52 complementary. Either change both the cos or change both the sin. या तो दोनों साइन को चेंज करो या तो दोनों cos को करो. तो हम लोग दोनों साइन को चेंज कर रहे हैं. Cos 38 as it is, cos 52 as it is. In the place of sin, see sin is equal to cos 90 minus theta. तो क्या आएगा cos 90 minus 38. नीचे आएगा cos 90 minus 52. ठीक है. So this one cos 38, cos 52, cos 90 minus 38 is equal to cos 52, and cos 90 minus 52 is equal to cos 38. Correct? Now this is multiplication. ये दोनों के बीच में this also to multiply product. So cos 38, cos 52, cos 52, cos 38. These are positive, these are negative. दोनों हो गए cancel, plus minus cancel. Answer is 0 and RHS is 0, therefore is equal to RHS. So LHS is equal to RHS. Sum solved. I hope so now clear. So given that tan 2a is equal to cot a minus 18, where 2a is an acute angle and we have to find value of a. A कितना है पता नहीं, we have to find. Solution. Just write tan 2a is equal to cot a minus 18. We have to find a. This is linear equation in one variable. Linear equation एक अल्फाबेट होता है, वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करनी होती है. बट अभी यहाँ पे तुम लोग बोलोगे एक साइड tan एक साइड cot है, कैसे चेंज करें? ये क्या है? We have to use this one. So if you want to convert tan into cot, तो इसको 90 से माइनस करना पड़ेगा. So in the place of just tan की जगह पे क्या करो cot, and whatever value subtract from 90. So in the place of tan just write cot 90 minus 2a is equal to cot a minus 18. Okay. Now both side cot तो ये कैंसिल हो जाता है. बट उधर कैंसिल करने का नहीं, नेक्स्ट स्टेप में सिर्फ वैल्यूज नहीं लिखनी है, इफ वैल्यूज आर सेम. सो नो, डोंट राइट दिस cot. तो यू हैव 90 minus 2a is equal to a minus 18. Okay. We have to find the value of a. Shift this to a minus a, shift to right hand side it become plus, and 18 minus h को right hand side में प्लस हो जाएगा. 90 minus plus 18 and a plus 2a. 90 minus 90 plus 18 108. A plus 2a 3a. In between a and 3 multiplication है. So shift 3 here. 108 upon 3 is equal to a. Therefore a is equal to 3 is a 3 6 is a, that is
36.
Some sort. Question number 3 is tan a is equal to cot b. A tan a is equal to cot.
सर आपकी आवाज कट रही है.
Yes, sir, your voice is breaking.
And sir, video is also lagging.
So मुझे लगता है हम लोग ने रूल बनाया था, raise your hand, हाँ, and prove that. To prove.
सर वॉइस बहुत ब्रेक हो रहा है.
हाँ सर आपकी आवाज नहीं आया. सर वीडियो भी लैग हो रहा है
सर वीडियो लैग हो रहा है आपका.
और वॉइस